Hello students, welcome to medicoRAS. Today we are going to discuss
the pollinating agent. From that pollen pistil interaction we have the portion. So question number 9 it is. So in the ninth question number, when compared to the number of ovule, enormous number of pollen is produced in where? So number of pollen grain, if it is increased, if it is more, then where we can get that more number of pollen grain? I hope everyone knows where there is cross pollination, there will be more number of pollen grain. So cross pollination best way is doing by wind or through water, right? So both the answers are correct. Come to question number 10 please. So see here, the pollen grain of the wind pollinated and the insect pollinated flowers are. See, wind pollinated pollen grains they are asking. So it should be sticky or non-sticky? Definitely it should be non-sticky, right? And if it is insect, then definitely it should be sticky. So what will be the correct answer? 3 will be the correct answer. Fine. So we have finished the 10th number of question as well. I hope everyone did well and you understood till the 10th question number, right? Now, come to 11th question number. The floral reward includes. The floral reward. Reward means the flower can give what? If it is the cross-pollination, then we'll have more and more rewards. Especially we will get the nectar. Yes, we will get more and more numbers of pollen grain, and where the flower is there, inside that flower some organisms they can lay their eggs as well. Best example is the gallwasp, and it can lay their eggs in hypenthodium as well. Okay, hypenthodium, I hope you know this hypenthodium kind of inflorescence. So this is what all the options are correct. Fine. Come to question number 12 then. So see here, inbreeding depression, it includes, of course we know, inbreeding depression means what? If the self-pollination is continuously happening, right? Self-pollination continuously it is doing, some plant is doing the continuously is the self-pollination, then it will follow what? Inbreeding depression only. So check the answer here. Yes, this is the answer. See, answer number 3. Then question number 13 please. The wrong type of pollen is, which one is considered as wrong type? But that means which one is not going to germinate or which one is not going to grow. So pollen grain, if it comes from the other species, suppose you have a mango plant and over the mango plant if some banyan plant pollen grain is fallen because of any reason, right? In that case pollen germination will not happen. Or it may be from the same plant. That means if the self-incompatible condition is there, then that also be one condition because of which it is considered to be the wrong type. So see here, both the answers are correct. Yes. Come to question number 14 please. See, water is regular mode of transport for male gametophytes. Of course we know this answer, right? For algae though it recurs because algae mostly they are aquatic. In fact we can say only few algae are there which are terrestrial, otherwise all the algae are in fact aquatic only. Bryophytes they must require water for this reproduction process, you know this, right? Amphibian of plant kingdom. Pteridophytes also we know that it requires water for the male gamete to transfer. So here all the answers are correct. Next question is 15. So see, arboreal rodents, these are what? Tree dwellers these are. Please remember this one, tree dwellers. I hope you know, and if you have seen Discovery Channel, if you are fond of seeing Discovery Channel, then definitely you know this answer, right? Tree dwellers are. So this is till 15 we have completed. Now let's check the other questions as well.